Anxiety is a challenge many people face, but Islam offers a powerful remedy through sincere dua. When a believer feels overwhelmed, turning to Allah, glory to Him, the Exalted, in heartfelt supplication, builds a deep sense of trust and tranquility. The Prophet Muhammad, blessings of Allah and peace be upon him, taught that dua is the essence of worship, reminding us that speaking directly to our Creator, glory to Him, the Exalted, brings comfort and hope. In moments of distress, sincerely raising your hands and pouring out your worries, fears and hopes to Allah, glory to Him, the Exalted, helps shift focus from the problem to the provider. This act acknowledges that relief comes only from Him, glory to Him, the Exalted, and reassures the heart. Consistent dua also cultivates patience and reliance, key virtues praised in Islam. The believer grows in faith, knowing that every hardship is an opportunity to draw nearer to Allah, glory to Him, the Exalted, and to witness His wisdom unfold. Practicing dua with humility, gratitude, and persistence is a beautiful way to overcome anxiety.